Hey y'all, this is your sister Gina and the Lord. I thought this would be a random and fun video of showing y'all how you can wear an outfit casually and then dress it up a little bit for service or if you're going somewhere else. So I just came back from visiting my sister Nancy. Her baby, she had her baby, and then Jen also had her baby like literally 10 days after Nancy did. I'll make sure I insert like a video clip or picture of the two of them so y'all know who I'm referring to. So cute. Y'all have seen Jen, but y'all haven't seen too much of Nancy. So I just came back from visiting them with my mom, and I didn't feel like getting fully dressed for service, so I just put on, this is like my outfit that I'm going to be wearing later, but more simplified. I have nothing on my face except for this moisturizer that I'm trying, Garnier Skin Active Moisture Rescue, and this is the dry skin one. Someone that I'm subscribed to mentioned this moisturizer, and I was kind of testing it out because sometimes, even though I use more so oils on my face, I wanted to try to start to use a moisturizer that's more on the natural side. Hopefully, I don't know how good Garnier is. I am seeing that it has a little bit of alcohol in it, which can be drying, especially for dry skin, so I don't know why on earth they would put alcohol in it and they expect it to be moisturizing. I don't think I like it that much. I tried it last night after I washed my face, and then I tried it this morning, and then I'll probably reapply again before I do my makeup later. But yeah, so this is my outfit. It's very simple, no makeup on. I just did my eyebrow. My arm's getting tired, y'all. I'm like trying to hold it. But I tied this turban like this because just like my modestly beautiful swimsuit edition video, I have a style underneath that I don't want to get messed up. Tomorrow we're going to be going to the beach for Labor Day. This way we could say that we've at least went to the beach twice. We're going to try a different one. And I styled my hair last night in twist outs and put perm rods. I put perm rods at the end because it gives it a little bit more better definition with my ends, especially since I have 4C here. But anyways, so I have simple studs on. I'm so mad because one of my studs, while I was trying to tie this, I should have thought about the fact of that I was tying this and not put earrings on first, and one of my earrings came out and went in the sink. It's gone. We don't have a stopper. We need a new stopper, so it's gone, y'all. I don't think, it's definitely not there now. At first it was sitting on top, and I was like, oh, maybe there's a way I can get to it, but we were running behind. We had no time to try to get it out of the sink. It's gone, y'all. I'm always losing my stud earrings, which is funny that I would lose my stud earrings over, like, when I wear chandelier earrings or hoop earrings or something like that. But I think it's because when people make these stud earrings, they don't really make sure to have a secure enough back for them, so I feel like I've been losing them a lot. So I just have my wrap on, this cardigan. I have this dress that I got from Old Navy. I got a few of them. I got this in 2 different colors, and then I got 2 different striped dresses last summer, and they were only $8. This, I've had this for a while, this cardigan. Y'all know I like to throw this on with anything when I want more coverage. I have my bracelets on, which my arm's falling asleep. Hold on, let me try to switch my other arm. Okay, so I have these simple bracelets on. The one with the cross on it, I got from when we went to go see the Jonah play at the Sight and Sound Theater in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. There are vlogs of that. I think there's like 2 or 3 of them. That's actually kind of when I a little bit started vlogging a little more. It's a wonderful theater. They bring the stories of the Bible in theater, kind of almost like Broadway. It's so vibrant and colorful. The people sing beautifully unto the Lord. It really gives glory to God. So I'll make sure I link when we went to go see the Jonah play, because that's where I got that one from. And then the one on top, my sister Brittany is engaged, and she asked me and another friend to be her bridesmaids, and she gave us that top rose gold bracelet, which I love because I could just throw it with anything. So I have that on. I have simple sandals on. Let me take my shoes off because I don't feel like showing y'all my feet, even though I went to go get it done yesterday. I have these cute sandals on. I'm just debating on whether or not I want to wear these for service. I might change it to some cute simple heels, but this is my outfit that I have on right now, more simplified, and then I will show y'all my outfit or show y'all of me getting ready a little bit later. Okay, so this is the look that I threw on. I kept it simple. Just wanted to show y'all a full look of what it looked like. This cardigan, I love wearing it with anything, and as you can see, the length of the dress is a good length. What are you doing, though? Alright, y'all, I have this bracelet from Forever 21. I've had it for a couple years. This statement necklace I got from co-host, which I mentioned before in a different videos, as a sister to Burlington Coal Factories, the same owners as them. I have these simple stud earrings that I also got from Forever 21. Let's go outside. This is the final dressed up look. Only thing I did was makeup, add this statement necklace, and changed up the heels. You guys have seen these heels before. Pretty comfortable. Love them. I love the length of this dress. It's a perfect modest length. God bless you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to stay modestly beautiful.